Okay, we try and have a look at this question. Okay, we have a circular bowl of a certain diameter, 400 millimeters, containing water at rest. If the side is tapped gently, a completely circular pulse can be produced on the surface of the water, which travels inwards with a speed 250 millimeters per second. The radius of the pulse and direction of travel 1 second after the pulse is produced are. Okay, so we have a circular bowl, diameter 400 millimeters. This means the radius is 200 millimeters. Okay, at time t equals 0, I tap the side, so I knock the side like that. Okay, what I would expect is a wave is, or rather a pulse is produced at the surface and it's moving towards the center. Right, so at t equals 1/5 of a second, where is this pulse? Right, so I can find the distance of the pulse from the side by using velocity times time. Right, so velocity times time gives me 50 mm, right, because 250 times 1/5 gives me 50 mm. So I'm 50 mm, I travel 50 mm towards the center, right, because I start from the side, then the pulse travels 50 mm to the center. So I'm somewhere here, and this pulse is moving towards the center of the circle. At time equals 2/5 seconds, alright, the same thing, I can find displacement given by time multiplied by velocity. That gives me 100 mm. So this blue line here represents the pulse at t equals to 2/5 of a second, right, and this is 100 mm away from the edge. Okay, at time 3/5 seconds I didn't do it, but you should know it's somewhere here, right, moving towards the center. At time 4/5 seconds I should get 200 mm, which means that the pulse has traveled from the surface all the way to the center, and it looks like a dot at this position, 4/5 of a second. Right, what happens at t equals to 5/5 of a second, which is actually 1 second? Right, so at t equals to 1 second, I will expect the d to be 250 mm. Right, so 250 mm will be where? It will actually be at this position, right, still at the center. Let me draw it. Okay, it will come out to this position over here. Okay, but the direction is not inwards. Okay, t equals 3/5 of a second will be inwards. T equals to 1 second. Okay, the d must be 250, but it's outwards. Okay, it will be traveling towards the edge, right? So it travels from the surface towards this position, then towards this position, then towards this position, then at the center, then I start to spread out again, alright, and I start to move towards the surface again. Alright, so hopefully that helps you to explain why the answer should be B, 50 mm outwards, right, because it's this red dot over here at t equals to 1 second.